All right, data nerds, hold on to your keyboards. Do you know Fabric is brought to you by KratosBI, home of the data gods, funded and paid for 100% out of our own pockets from your donations and your support. No sneaky sponsors, no corporate overlords, and definitely no affiliation with any other company. KratosBI out.
We're live at the T-Mobile Arena. Arun is about to go live talking about the keynote speech at Microsoft Fabric. But before that, we're playing Do You Know Fabric, where contestants can win big money and prizes. Right? We're here on KratosBI. I'm Chris Wagner, and we're making today the best day ever. One fearless contestant is about to battle it out with Microsoft Fabric trivia for big cash. Here's the scoop. You'll face 5 questions, each tougher than the last, with prizes stacking up 5, 10, 20, 50, and an amazing $100 if you can conquer them all. Choose the best answer from your 4 options. Only my answer key counts. No exceptions. Get it right, your money grows. Get it wrong, it's game over. It's all or nothing for the best day ever. Ready, Data God?
Got it.
All right, let's go. Before we get into it, what's your name?
Ronnie, Andronica.
Ronnie, nice to meet you. Where are you from?
Kaiser Permanente.
Kaiser Permanente. All right, let's get into this. You get to choose which questions do you want to be asked.
Top one.
Top one? All right, we're going to keep it easy. Here we go. For your first question, what is the primary goal of Microsoft Fabric for its users? Is it A, develop mobile apps, B, to replace all desktop applications, C, to provide free cloud storage, or D, to simplify data integration and analytics?
D.
D, is that your final answer?
Yes.
That is correct. Microsoft Fabric aims to streamline data integration and analytics by offering a unified platform that combines data engineering, science, and business intelligence, reducing complexity for users rather than focusing on desktop apps, storage, or mobile development. All right, Ronnie, you're doing great. You're at $5.
All right.
All right, we're going on for the $10 round. You ready?
I'm ready.
All right, he's ready. Which Microsoft Fabric experience is tailored for creating machine learning models? Is it A, real-time analytics, B, data warehouse, C, data science, or D, Power BI?
C, data science.
That is correct. The data science experience in Microsoft Fabric provides tools like notebooks, integration with Python and R libraries, specially designed for building and training machine learning models distinct from warehousing or real-time processing or visualizing tasks. All right, you're doing good so far. We're about to get into the intermediate level.
All right.
This one's for $20. Are you ready to go? You want to keep going?
I'm ready to go.
All right. What does Microsoft Fabric's OneLake provide to simplify data access? Is it A, a single centralized data lake for all workspaces? B, separate storage accounts for each user? C, manual data replication across regions? Or D, a local file system for on-premise data? A? That's correct. OneLake serves as a centralized data lake in Microsoft Fabric, providing a unified storage layer for accessible across all workspaces, eliminating the need for separate accounts, manual replication, or local systems. Excellent job, Ronnie. We're doing good. Question 4. This is for $50. Okay, so we're getting into serious money now. Right, this is like a meal, right? You know, you can have a meal with this, right? In Microsoft Fabric, what is the key difference in query performance between a Synapse data warehouse and a lakehouse when processing unstructured data? Is it A, lakehouses use SQL exclusively, while data warehouses use KQL? B, data warehouses require data to be staged, while lakehouses query directly? C, lakehouse leverages Delta tables, while data warehouse does not? Or D, data warehouses optimizes for unstructured data while lakehouses do not?
C.
C is the correct answer. When processing unstructured data in Fabric, Lakehouse benefits from Delta tables in OneLake, which provide structure via Parquet and metadata, and optimize query performance for mixed workloads. Synapse Data Warehouse, while powerful for structured data with T-SQL, doesn't natively use Delta tables for unstructured data, often requiring ingestion into relational tables, making lakehouses more flexible for such scenarios. Good job. Now, we are on to question 5. I gotta ask you, do you want to continue on? You have $50 in your pocket right now. If we go on, you can get up to $100 or you can lose it all. Do you want to keep going? All right, we're gonna keep going. Exciting stuff. We're about to give away $100 hopefully here. All right, question 5. What is the main benefit for migrating from on-premise SQL database to Microsoft Fabric? Is it A, reduced hardware costs, B, improved scalability, flexibility, and powerful analytics, C, enhanced user interface, or D, better customer support?
B.
B, is that your final answer?
D is my final answer.
That is correct! Migrating to Microsoft Fabric from on-premise SQL databases offers unparalleled scalability via cloud capacity, flexibility, unified data tools, and powerful analytics, integrated AI, and real-time capabilities. While reduced hardware costs might be a byproduct, the primary value lies in enhanced data capabilities, not UI or support, which are secondary considerations. Well, congratulations, sir. You have won Do You Know Microsoft Fabric. Fantastic. Here is your $100.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you guys for joining us on Do You Know Microsoft Fabric. We're going to keep this going. We're going to keep asking people questions about Microsoft Fabric here at the T-Mobile Arena before Arun's speech. I can't wait into it. You guys have the best day ever. Peace.